Hello everybody, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? You will get to learn a lot of shit about me today. And our first conundrum: you would be the most charming and charismatic person in the room, but you would smell bad. And they wouldn't want to be near you, so it really wouldn't matter if you were charming or charismatic if you smelled bad. I will not. Okay. The bad dilemma for me, but apparently everybody likes it. Okay, you now know the exact moment of your death. Whenever fate chooses it to be, there's no way for you to escape it. I will not. Wow, 53 to 47. I figured that would be kind of more gone. But no. Because I don't know about you. There's no escaping it. I would not want to know when I die. You'll be dreading that moment forever. Well, why not? Okay. You will never die and feel any pain. Well, but you would love to kill. Okay, you will never die and feel any pain. It says you will not feel any pain. It doesn't say you will not feel any pain. It just says you will never die and feel any pain. But you will love to kill. Which basically means you can't die, but you feel pain regardless. And you now have a love to kill. I will not. 56 to 44. What? I joined the army. I joined the police. You'd kill your country? Sounds like Deadpool to me. No, thank you. Excuse me there, but no. Bad. You meet the one and only Doctor Who. You must become his companion for all eternity. Yes! That'd be so cool! I figured that'd be further apart with more favoring have pressed the button. Good dilemma there. Oh my God. You will be able to own any game you desire. You will only be able to finish 99% of it. No, I'm a completionist. I will not. I'm a completionist. Otherwise, I would have taken that one. You become immortal. Insects of all kinds love the heck out of you and won't leave you alone. Fuck shit. This is really a conundrum here, but no. Mainly because immortality is not bad. But you can't die, which would basically mean you could be bodiless and just be in existence. That's bad. You live your life as your favorite video game character, but played by someone who's terrible at the game. Oh, Oh, god damn! Yeah, sure, of course. What? What? Oh, come on! Okay, never run out of Pop-Tarts. looking weird so far, but only commercial ever played on TV is the Sarah McLachlan. No, even though I have no idea what that is, I'm still saying no. No. Bad. You get a mystery prize. But the mystery prize will land on your head, but the true downside is you don't know what it will be. No? No. It could be something so heavy you would die. You will meet your most favorite celebrity in the world. You have to marry them and raise a child with them. Do WWE divas count? I'm going to say they count, and if so, I'll marry Becky Lynch. Yeah! Oh, 69%. Oh, Canada, the best number ever. That's a good dilemma. You get the ideal body you've always wanted. You'll die 20 years earlier. I like my body as it is, so I will not. So, no. Bad dilemma. You are the greatest footballer of all time. You play for the team you hate most in the entire world. No, you would not enjoy yourself. Why? No. You wouldn't enjoy your life. You'd hate the team you're on. Bad. You get 10 millions. You lose your right hand. Oh, I could get the right hand replaced with something. No! Ah, fuck. Oh, no. I'm bad. I'm doofy. Okay. You become the most successful person in all aspects. Beloved and recognized by all. You find out the exact date you know. What? You get to work your dream job. You get paid minimum wage and have to live off welfare to survive. Sure. My dream job is... a lot of people find a lot of loopholes out of this one. My dream job is being a millionaire, a CEO. How do I live off a minimum? How do I get minimum wage? You get telekinetic powers. You know. Doing YouTube, you'd have to speak. Fucking time to speak. Doing YouTube requires speech. My job requires speech. Everything requires speech. That's bad. No! No! You'll be part of your sexual fantasy. But as the other person. No, thank you! No. You have the big... no! No! The internet is forever spared any censorship or restrictive acts such as SOPA. Japan is destroyed, its human inhabitants all die, and it will never be rebuilt. Yep. Nothing. You just learned. I would destroy Japan and everybody that lives there, never to be rebuilt, just so the internet is free of censorship and restrictive acts. Rape, culture, and racism, homophobia cease to exist. Other people who condone these issues, no! Wait, yes! Damn it! You now live in a mansion with staff on hand at all times. But Night at the Roxbury is on an infinite loop in every room. Full blast. I don't know what the fuck Night at the Roxbury is. So, give me a second. No. Bad. Next up. Hell no! That's double downsides! You can sleep with any woman every night. You won't remember a thing the day after. Yeah, pretty much, I'll do it. I'd probably forget anyways. And if it's bad, hey, you could actually forget it was bad, so woohoo. Okay, you will gain complete understanding of all programming languages, but your maximum typing speed will be capped at 10 words per minute. How's that bad in all actuality? Voice recognition? Yeah. Voice recognition, you can just talk, you don't have to type. You become the pilot of the world's most powerful mech, which you designed. All your friends and family are forced to fight and will die in combat. No! 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 Know how to fly a plane. Don't know how to swim. Truth be told, I don't know how to swim anyways. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry, my mom. Well, my friend. Okay, let's face it, my cat just walked into the room, and that does it for this episode. Sorry about the weird ending, but I will see you in the next video, so please like, comment, and subscribe.